A group of Caribbean law students are taking Caricom to court, claiming discrimination and preferential treatment at Caribbean law schools. The matter is now before the Caribbean Court of Justice, TVJ. More in this report.
Not the first time concerns have been expressed about the process to become an attorney at law in the Caribbean. Essentially, one must first obtain an undergraduate law degree from the University of the West Indies and then complete vocational training at one of the regional law schools like Norman Manley Law School in Jamaica or Hugh Wooding Law School in Trinidad and Tobago. But the Association of Caribbean Students for Equal Access to the Legal Profession is contending that students of non-UWI law degrees have consistently been denied equal access to the regional law schools. They are mandated to sit an entrance exam, which the association argues is fraught with discriminatory practices, seemingly in contradiction of Caricom's integration principles. The association's head, Jason Jones, is a UK Commonwealth scholar. He noted that in 2015, he, along with hundreds of other non-UWI law graduates, was denied entry. According to him, he's been making every effort to resolve the matter through meaningful dialogue with various stakeholders in Caricom to no avail. And so the association is heading to the courts. Mr. Jones has initiated legal proceedings in the Caribbean Court of Justice, CCJ, against the Council for Legal Education, the Council for Human and Social Development, and the Council for Trade and Economic Development for the infringement of his rights as a national of Trinidad and Tobago to access vocational training in the region in order to become an attorney at law eligible to practice within Caricom member states. The association has chapters in Jamaica, Antigua and Barbuda, Guyana and Barbados.